Hello everybody and welcome to a restoration update on the MGB GT. As you all know, this is a rolling restoration project, so I'm trying to keep it on the road as much as possible. It's been a while since I've done a full update, but here's the car. Going very well actually, recent MOT'd. Biggest visual upgrade has been the powder coated wheels. These were powder coated in chrome and with new spinners as well. I think it's really smartened up the look of the car. You'll also notice that it's sitting a good bit higher at the back. I've put new springs on the back with polyurethane bushes, which has really improved the handling and ride quality over the rear axle. Unfortunately though, it has shown up some weaknesses at the front, and I would be quite keen to take the front axle off, put some new polyurethane bushes on there, and probably a thicker anti-roll bar too. Apologies for any wind noise here, folks. If we're looking further around the car, generally kept quite clean and tidy. It's probably had a couple of 100 miles use since the last time I made a full restoration update video. And I'll have a look inside here and have a look under the bonnet. So inside, as I've said before, these wheels the seats are still looking a bit tired. The covers are actually okay, but the foam has gone. It's fairly unsupported, and as might have been said before, the two seats actually don't match, although this doesn't particularly bother me. I think it adds a bit of character. So that's sort of on the long finger. I'd like to get new foam for the seats and get those recovered. I think it would really smarten it up. As you'll also notice here, this could do with a bit of attention. So before we put the seats done, we have to do the headlining. I think this has just been done with contact adhesive that wasn't for high temperature use. So that just be a case of taking that out and redoing it. Looking further in the back, down here there's some damage. I think the seat cushions have been too wide and they've caught. So they've sort of torn there, and I think that could do with a bit of tidy up as well. Open the bonnet, look under there. Sorry for the wind noise, folks. Just looking under here, all quite tidy. Not really too many jobs. The main job here that needs done is the oil filter. I'm not a great fan of this upside down oil filter, so anytime it's left for a while between drives, I feel that the oil seems to drain out of them and the engine can sound a bit dry on startup, which is a real shame. So what I'm going to do is convert that to a vertical spin-on oil filter conversion, and I have that. However, the supplier, which is Moss Europe, didn't tell me that I would have to also change the starter motor. And as you know, I put a new starter motor on there not so long ago and it starts really nicely now. That was after the solenoid gave up on the old starter. Other things to be done under here: new braided fuel lines. The old ones are starting to look a bit tired and perished, and nobody needs a fire quite so close to the exhaust. So that was sorted nice and quickly. Also had a wee bit of a leak here, you can see a trace, and that was just a case of tightening up the union there to the oil cooler. Otherwise under here, the pedal box master cylinder assembly there could do with a bit of a tidy up. There's some surface rust coming through the top, and that throttle cable also. Annoyingly, although I tidied up the Smith's heater, which there is a video series for if you're interested in following that, the fan isn't working. I think it's a wiring issue rather than an absolute motor issue, but such is life. So there you go. Another update on the 1969 MGB GT. Hope you've all enjoyed that. As always, I value your input and any comments, suggestions, anything like that you would like to come on board with. Always happy to hear. This is an ongoing project which will eventually end up in a full respray with re-chroming, but please hit the subscribe button, like the video and comment. I always reply to all my comments, and I'm trying to grow this channel as well as sharing all my adventures with you. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.